When I first got my nose on this little gem, Il Bacio, I had to admit that compared to contemporary fragrances, this one indeed has a more classic, perfumey sort of feel to it. Il Bacio by Borghese is a fruity, floral fragrance that came out in 1993. This one is rich and heady and lasts a fair while on me. I've read that the newer bottles carry a lighter juice that pales in comparison. A familiar story. The fragrance comes in a red box. I do rather like the ergonomic bottle design with the red knot as a cap. It looks good on the shelf, I think. The note profile for Il Bacio is very orderly. The florals comprise the top notes, the fruits the heart notes, and the woods the base notes. Il Bacio is an old school white floral at the end of the day. It's full of deep, rich, honeyed flowers amped up with lots of fruit. And even though the notes are ordered so logically, this fragrance is complex enough that I find it hard to pull out the individual pieces or parts. I get the whole throwback thing all at once, not in pieces. And above all, it's a rich and heady floral compilation. I definitely get the honeysuckle though, and with effort, I can smell the jasmine and lily of the valley, and the rose, yeah. But the other notes, they're just so well blended. I know there's a lot of fruit in here, but that's because it's so sweet. All the fruit's been mashed together into a thick nectar or compote. It's got like a marmalade quality to it, although there's no citrus notes listed. I don't smell any lemon or orange or anything. More of a peachy sort of vibe. It's got some powderiness to it as well. So this one stays linear for the first few hours, but where it really shines, in my opinion, is in the dry down. It becomes warmer, calmer, and more sensual. It's a feminine, robust fragrance that clings tight to clothing. So it's a great fragrance to spray on your cool weather jacket or coat for those days when you might want to leave a lasting impression. The level of fruitiness in this perfume keeps it in everyday territory, though. So I wouldn't call this classy or sophisticated, even though it is classic. It's too laid back in a way. Even though this is a 90s scent, it rings more 80s to me, minus any civet or other glandular-like undercurrents. This is assertively feminine, very linear and dense, and it transports me back to a time where all my blouses, tops, and blazers had shoulder pads, or at the very least, poofs. Overall, I'd say that if you like more complex traditional compositions that lean rich but are priced affordably, this might be up your alley. I'd recommend giving this one a sniff if you haven't yet.